Creating a handmade gold bracelet is a labor of love that involves skillful craftsmanship, meticulous attention to detail, and a deep appreciation for the art of jewelry making. This exclusive accessory is meticulously crafted using traditional jewelry techniques and premium materials, ensuring its timeless beauty and exceptional quality. The process begins with a selection of high-quality materials. The gold used is carefully chosen for its purity and durability, ensuring that the finished piece will stand the test of time and retain its lustrous shine for years to come. The jeweler may also consider the type of gold, such as yellow, white, or rose gold, depending on the desired aesthetic of the bracelet. With the materials in hand, the artisan embarks on a journey of creation. They start by sketching the design on paper, envisioning the perfect balance between elegance and modernity. The goal is to create a piece that will be both timeless and fashionable, adaptable to different styles and occasions. The jeweler then meticulously shapes and molds the gold, using traditional jewelry techniques passed down through generations. With skilled hands and precision tools, they carefully bend and twist the metal, bringing the design to life. This hands-on approach allows the artisan to add unique touches and intricacies to the bracelet, ensuring it stands out as an exclusive piece of art. The creation process is filled with countless hours of dedication and attention to detail. The jeweler meticulously polishes and refines the surface of the bracelet, ensuring a flawless finish. They may incorporate special elements such as gemstones or delicate engravings to add a touch of personalization and luxury. Every stage of the process is carried out with passion and commitment to perfection. From soldering individual components to meticulously setting gemstones, the jeweler pours their heart and soul into each step. As they bring the bracelet closer to completion, they take the time to inspect and refine the smallest details, ensuring that the piece meets the highest standards of craftsmanship. Finally, with the finishing touches in place, the handmade gold bracelet is ready to be admired and cherished. This exclusive accessory is more than just an adornment. It's a representation of the artisan's dedication and creativity. Its allure lies not only in its beauty, but also in the skill and passion infused into every aspect of its creation. In a world of mass-produced jewelry, the handmade gold bracelet stands as a testament to the artistry and craftsmanship that can only be achieved through traditional methods and a deep appreciation for the beauty of fine jewelry. This exquisite piece becomes a treasured possession, a symbol of elegance, and a reminder of the dedication and talent of the artisan who crafted it.